Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys two freestyles that I did using the Rosalind gel polish kit from Amazon. This is a different kit. As you've seen, I did show you which one I'm using. This is the black and white kit. These are very affordable. I do have a discount code now, so I will put it here and also somewhere at the end of the video. They're already really inexpensive, so you do get some money off. Here I'm just going in and trying to decide which polishes I will be using. This particular color, I decided to pick very dark black colors because I was wearing a black cat suit. So yeah, that's why I did two different looks, because I wanted to show you guys something very dark and vampy that you can wear because it is fall season and Halloween is coming up. Really simple. I know a lot of beginners follow me and you guys struggle with nail art. Don't worry, you don't have to be the best at nail art to just go in and do something creative on your nails. I will say, as a beginner nail tech, gel polish can be extremely intimidating, but I'm telling you, the only way you're going to achieve getting over that hurdle of being scared of gel polish is just to dive in it and practice on yourself before you practice on anybody else. Here I'm just going in with that glitter black shade. Really pretty. If you pick this up, please do indulge in this shade here. It's perfect for the fall season. So I'm going in with just a French tip. Here I am using the Beetles brush. I will link it down below. Yeah, pretty simple, just going in with a French tip, the length to reflect that I have long nails, so I took the French tip down a little bit more. Really simple. I am going in and doing the same exact thing with the pointer finger. I didn't have nails on for probably about a week or two because you guys know I am in clinical. I actually am sitting in my car right now. I just got out of clinical. Yeah, but I was like, you know what? I got to put my nails on this one hand. I was actually really in the office all day today, so I didn't have to actually see patients or meet with anyone. So I got away with having my nails on, and they are long. These are my 3x square length tips that are on my website. I will link them down below. A lot of you guys always ask me, what tips am I using? I try to always put everything in the description box, so make sure you are checking that out. Here I am going in with the shade 03. I know this because I got this shade in another one of their kits and it stayed on my desk. This black is very opaque. If you are looking for a black gel polish that doesn't streak, it's not thin, you don't have to go on multiple coats, this is it. This is here. I love it. I do go in and put that on two nails here. Later on, I do go in and cover up those two all black nails with a foil, but you don't have to have foil. You can just stop totally here. I want to use this black and do some pink or red bottom nails because this black is just the bomb. So that's all I'm doing here, is filling that in with a really thin coat. I'm doing a thin coat because one, is opaque, and two, I know I wanted to go in with foil and I don't want my nails to be too thick. I do have to go in with foil glue and then the foil and then the top coat. So when you are putting multiple layers, please make sure you are going in with the thinnest layer possible. Here I'm going in with a silver shade. This is all silver, no AB reflective in it or anything, really pretty, and I am French tipping this nail out. This is a nice shade if you want to bling out a full nail with just regular clear rhinestones or Swarovski crystals. This can be a shade that you lay down before you put your stones on. So there, I just showed you guys what shade it is if you wanted to pause and write it down. But all of this comes in one kit, so when you buy the whole kit, you get everything anyway. So yeah, just making sure I clean up the sides, and I do cure my nails in my UV lamp for 60 seconds. If you guys were wondering, I do have the iGel Beauty 2.0 UV lamp, and I am loving it. I'm going in now with the foil gel just to make sure I get a thin, even coat, because like I said, I don't want it bulky since these two nails have more product on them than the others. And now I am going in with my foil. You can also find this foil on my website. Also, the tool that I am using is on my website. You guys always ask me, what is this tool? You can use it to pick up your larger rhinestones or your kawaii stones with the other end. And then this end here is just perfect for laying out your foil, getting the little kinks and crinkles out. So voila, as you guys know, the foil that I have on my website is no joke. I only showed you guys one nail of the foil because it was very repetitive. So now I am going in with my diamond top coat and doing a thin, smooth layer. Less is more. You don't need a lot of this. I still go around my nails when I get done with any type of any type of liquid. I go around my cuticle area with a brush with a little bit of alcohol or acetone just to clean up, and you guys will see me do that after I get done top coating my nails. Of course, after I top coat my nails, I do go in and cure my nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I do an additional 30 seconds. That's not needed, but I'm just extra like that. So here is where you guys see me cleaning up. You want to make sure you clean it up because you can have your gel polish lift just like you would anything else if you're not making sure that cuticle area is cleaned up really good. I am now going in with my personal cuticle oil. That's why you see the brush making contact with my skin. This is mine. I don't use it on my clients. And this is what they look like. They came out really, really pretty. Everyone was asking me who did my nails. And I'm like, girl, me, I did them. So I wore these nails for like 3, maybe 4 days. And being as though I'm a nail tech, I have the luxury of going in and changing my nails anytime that I want. So I pulled that same exact kit out and I wanted to revamp my nails. I like to have my cover acrylic peek out of my nails. I really don't like my nails fully covered. If you know me and you've been watching me for a while, you know that. I'm also starting to steer away from a lot of charms on my nails. I don't know if it's because I'm older or what, but the weight of the charms has really been getting to me. Like I can really do a lot of charms on my nails, but they have to come off in like 2 days. For one, they snagging on stuff. I have to do my daughter hair in the morning for school, so it's not fit for me. But for content purposes, I do like to do those type of looks, and I do like to wear them. Don't get it twisted, but it just doesn't fit into my everyday life. So here I'm just going in with that same Beetles brush and just doing some line work. These are not 90s style nails. I'm just going in and putting lines wherever I see fit. I am going in with 4 different colors that's in the kit. The black, this pretty blue color, gray, and it's like a light grayish blue that I am using. Why? Because here in Philadelphia it's cold now. I actually have on a sweater today, sweatpants, socks with my Adidas slides. I am just comfy. This is my element. If you know me or if you don't know me, your girl love fall and winter. I like to be cold. I like to be just in my vibe, chilling. So here I'm just going in, and I don't know if I told you guys this in the beginning of the video, but I do have Valentino Blossom on my nails as a cover powder. If you want to see how I did that is another video. Check the last video I uploaded before this and you'll see the application for these nails. I did go in and switch the shape of these nails up a little bit to a moon shape. These are not fishtail shape. So the black nails were just regular tapered square nails, and then here I did take the tip of the nail and do a little moon cut because I like that, and I also love the fishtail look. So this look right here is really repetitive. I wanted everything on the same nail. I wanted designs on it without doing too much. I know I say that all the time, but less is more with me. I always like to keep my non-dominant hand done, which is my left hand, because it's my billboard. It's how I get a lot of my clientele, and it's how I get a lot of my students that take one-on-one classes with me, just by my hand being done. So we're almost at the end of this video. I do plan on have a nice giveaway coming up. I have so much stuff. I have drills that companies have sent me, acrylic. I have a ton of stuff. But I want to reserve it for like a big giveaway, because I do want to give away more to just one person, maybe 2 people. So I have not been doing many giveaways on my channel just because I'm trying to pile the stuff up. So if you haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe, become part of my little family. If you have any questions down below that are beginner tech related, or if you are interested in taking a class from me, whether it's in person or on Zoom, message me. My email is in my description box, or if you're not, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here, nail_by Shy. If it's not here, because I forget to go back and add it in the video, then you can check that out in my description box as well. If you're a beginner nail tech and you are watching this and you already have supplies at home, I encourage you to pull your stuff out and practice. Practice while you're watching YouTube videos. Practice when you have downtime. Practice when you get off of work. Whatever you do, I encourage you to practice. The hardest thing to learn about doing nails is liquid to powder ratio. That is something that could take you possibly years to learn. So practice. I wish I had someone to show me how to do liquid to powder ratio and to how to seal a cuticle. Those were my main focus areas that actually took me like maybe 2.5 years to learn, which is crazy. So here I'm going in with my diamond top coat. You can also find this on my website. Y'all know I don't play about top coat. This top coat is the bomb. If you already have it, then you know. So yeah, we're almost at the end of this video. I wanted to say I appreciate you guys. I want to give a couple shout outs right now. Bree, thank you. You always comment on my videos. Desi, you always comment. If I forget anybody, I will shout you guys out on another video, but I wanted to shout those two people out because, like I said, y'all don't miss a beat, y'all don't miss a video, and y'all always keep me motivated to keep on going and doing what it is that I like to do. So this is what the nails look like. I do go in with some cuticle oil, just, you know, because that seals the deal. It's like putting the topper on the cake. The cuticle oil bring everything together and make it just look really good. At the end, I do show you guys what the nails look like. I still have these nails on. It's been a few days later. If you have not checked out Rosalind gel polish, I encourage you to check them out. If you have Prime, you can get them the next day. I'll put the discount code right here too. Check them out, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Until then, make sure you guys are taking care of yourself and staying safe. I'll check you guys out in my next video.